Want to create stunning AI voiceovers without spending a dime? While ElevenLabs is great, it's pricey and limits free users. But guess what? I found a hidden gem that gives you high-quality AI voices, completely free. And the best part? You're listening to it right now. Let's dive in. Let's go introducing Clipchamp. It's not just an AI voice generator, but a complete AI-powered video editor with some amazing features. In this video, I will use it for generating the voiceover. First of all, open your browser and search for Clipchamp. If you are using a mobile phone, then use Google Chrome browser and turn on the desktop mode. After getting the search result, click on the first link. This is the Clipchamp website. With Clipchamp, you can generate videos with AI. It has the features of auto caption, text-to-speech resize video, and speaker coach. It has a vast library of royalty-free stock media. You can create unlimited videos without any watermark. You can use their premium version also, but I think we don't need to use the premium version at all. The difference between the free and premium versions is that you can export the video in 4K and you will get premium stock media and effects, as we are generating only the audio, so we don't need a premium version at this moment. Alright, to move ahead, we need to create an account. To do this, click on the sign up from here. You can continue with your Microsoft, Google, and email accounts. I will go with my Google account. After creating the account, select your user purpose. Like me, okay, this is your account dashboard now. If you want to create a video with AI, then you can select create a video with AI, but today I won't create any video, so I'm going back now. Select create a new video. Don't worry, we won't create any video, and this is the video editor page of Clipchamp. Here you will find tools for creating the videos. We have to click on the record and create tool from here. Here you will find some tools. In the last, you will find the text-to-speech tool. Select the tool. Now you can notice that a new tool panel opens on the right side. Come here. First of all, slate the language and accents. Here you will find more than 50 languages with different accents, including English, French, Spanish, Hindi, Malti, and many more. Select your preferred language from here. After selecting the language, click on the voice from here to select a voice actor. After selecting the voice, you can hear a preview by clicking here. Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing. If you don't like the voice, change it and select another voice after that. The advanced setting here, you can change the emotion. Select your preferred emotion. After that, select the voice pitch, set the pitch according to your needs. You can hear a preview every time to make a perfect voice tone. Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing. After that, the speed set. The speed according to the audio mood. Always listen to the preview to make it perfect. Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing. After that, enter your text in the text box. I will add the intro part of today's video script now. An important part here, you can generate only 10 minutes of audio at one time. Don't worry if you want to make an audio clip longer than 10 minutes. Then you have to create the audio multiple times, as it's totally free, so you don't need to worry about the audio length. Alright, after pasting the text, click on the preview button to hear the audio. Let's try with different emotions. Cheerful, and here it is. Are you now? Listen to the sad emotion. Are you eager to start making videos using AI voices? Alright, after finding the perfect voice tone, click on the save button to generate the audio, and our audio is ready. Now the question is, how can we download the audio? The fact is, you can't download an audio file on Clipchamp. We have to download the video. To download the video, click on the export button from here. Now select one resolution form here, as we will use only the audio, so the resolution is not important here. Select one of them. Now Clipchamp will take some time to render the video. Once it is complete, click on save to your computer, and the video has been saved on our computer. Now the question is, how can we convert it into an audio file without losing the quality? To do this, we will use an online file converter. Open a new tab on your browser and then search for MP4 to MP4 converter. Now click on the link of Cloud Converter link. You can direct input cloudconverter.com to access the page. After coming to this page, just drag and drop your file here. You don't have to create an account. After uploading the video clip, click on the convert button from here, and our video has been converted into an audio file. You can hear the preview by clicking on the play button. Well, this video is tailor-made for you. That's great, and the quality is flawless now. To download the audio, click on the download button from here, and our audio is saved on our device. In this method, you can create unlimited premium quality audio from your text file without spending a single penny. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of generating audio from text with AI for free. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel Digital AI Dollars, or if you want to earn money by making a kids channel, so I've already told in this video. So click left and watch the video completely. Or if you want the best AI tools of 2025 for content creators. So click here to watch it. I will see you there. Bye.